So in this video lecturing, we are going to discuss about pumps and turbines. Let's see the pumps. Let's see the introductions of pumps. A pump is a hydraulic machine which is converted mechanical energy into hydraulic energy or pressure energy. The centrifugal pump work on the principle of centrifugal force. In this type of pumps, the liquid is subjected to valve motion by the rotating impeller, which is made up of number of backward curved vanes. The liquid enter this impeller at its center or the eye and get discharged into casing enclosed the outer edge of the impeller. Generally, centrifugal pumps are made up of radial flow type. That means alpha should be equal to 90 degree. Let's see the classification of pumps. So first classification according to number of impellers. So it may be single stage or multi-stage. Then classification according to disposition of shaft. Vertical shaft pump and horizontal pump. Then third classification according to the head. Low head if it is head is less than 50 meter and medium head is 15 to 40 meter. If it is 40 meter, more than 40 meter, is known as high specific speed turbine. Let's see the component of pumps. You see the figure. These are the component of the centrifugal pump. This one is casing and inner one is impeller and this one is delivery valve and this one is delivery pump. This center portion is the eye of the pump. That means center or eye of the pump. And this one is suction pipe. And this is the schematic diagram for centrifugal pump. This one is suction pipe. This is also delivery pipe. And this one is delivery valve. Here with the centrifugal pump is there. The distance between surface of the water to center of the shaft is known as suction head. That means HS. Similarly to the delivery valve, center of the van to delivery valve is known as delivery head. And static head we know sum of suction head and delivery head. And another different type of casing diagram as shown in figure. First one is vertex casing and casing with guide blade. This is the blade, guiding van also attached. So both are impeller. This one is vertex chamfer as shown like this. Next, specific speed of pump. The specific speed of pump of centrifugal pump is defined as a speed of geometrically similarly pump which would deliver 1 cubic meter of liquid per second against a head of 1 meter. Is denoted by Ns, where Ns equal to capital N root of Q divided by H power 3 by 4. Then hydraulic turbines. So hydraulic turbine is a machine which is converted the hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. The hydraulic turbines are known as water turbines. Let's say the classifications of turbine here also. So divide classified according to energy type of energy at the inlet and classification according to direction of flow through the runner. First say the classification according to the type of energy at the inlet. Impeller turbine, reaction turbine. The example for impeller turbine is Pelton wheel, record high head and low rate of flow. An example for reaction turbine is Francis and Kaplan. It record low head and a rate of discharge will be high. And next classification according to the direction of flow through the runner. So first one, tangential flow turbine, radial flow turbine, axial flow turbine, mixed flow turbine. The example for tangential flow turbine is Pelton wheel, and Francis turbine example for radial flow, and axial flow turbine is Kaplan turbine, and modern Francis turbine is example for mixed flow turbine. So we know turbine, so classified into reaction turbine and impeller turbine. In reaction turbine you have two divisions. One is Francis turbine, another one is Kaplan turbine. In impeller turbine only one example, that one is Pelton turbine. The difference between impeller turbine and reaction turbine is, in impeller turbine the fixed nozzle is there, the bucket moving due to this water force. Water force, it's moving towards the blade, it will rotate. You see, in this reaction turbine the rotary nozzle is there. That means the flow enter to the center of the shaft and is spreaded into nozzle. That means the force make a reactions, therefore it will rotate. This is the difference between impulse turbine and reaction turbines. Here towards the center of the force is there, here towards outwards of this force is there. Again, classification according to the head and inlet of the turbine. Same, high head turbine, medium head turbine, low head turbine. Low head turbine example Kaplan, medium for Francis, and a high head turbine is Pelton. It's required high head to generate the energy or discharge. And fourth classification according to specific speed of turbine. So first one, low specific speed of turbine, that means Pelton wheel, and medium specific speed of turbine, that means Francis turbine, and third one, high speed turbine is Kaplan turbine. Here the specific speed is noted for Pelton. So Pelton, if it is number of runner is slow, the specific speed is 10 to 20, and normal 10 to 28, and fast 28 to 35. Similarly, Francis turbine, we have the numbers, and Kaplan turbine is specific speed of Kaplan turbine is 300 to 1000. And last classification according to disposition of turbine shaft, horizontal shaft and vertical shaft. So horizontal shaft is Pelton wheel and vertical shaft is Francis and Kaplan turbine. Let's see the design of Pelton wheel. This is the guidelines to importance for gate exam. So first one, jet ratio should be equal to pitch diameter of the wheel divided by diameter of the jet. That means capital D divided by small t, small d. Second one, speed ratio should be equal to velocity of wheel divided by velocity of jet, small u divided by capital V. Third one, velocity of wheel u equal to u1 should be equal to u2 should be equal to pi dn divided by 60. The overall efficiency eta naught should be equal to eta m into eta h, or eta o should be equal to shaft power divided by wp, that means water power. So water power should be equal to root of mv square, that means rho g q h. And sixth one is shaft power, rho a v1 into vw1 plus vw2 into u. It should be equal to rho q into vw1 plus vw2 into u, where vw1 w1 w2 is Wolf velocity in inlet and outlet. And seventh one, number of blades is equal to 0.5 into jet ratio plus 15. Then importance of design of Francis turbine. The velocity of wheel should be equal to u equal to u1 u2 equal to pi dn divided by 60. And second one, work done per second of power, rho a v1 into vw1 u1 plus or minus vw2 u2. It should be equal to rho q vw1 u1 plus or minus vw2 u2. Velocity of wheel u1 equal to pi d1 into n divided by 60. Similarly u2 pi d2 into n divided by 60. Discharge q equal to pi d1 b1 v f1 should be equal to pi d2 b2 v f2. Similarly, design of Kaplan turbine, velocity of wheel u1 u2 same, it should be equal to pi dm into n divided by 60, where mean diameter dm equal to d0 plus dp divided by 2. Work done per second equal to rho a v1 into vw1 plus vw2 into u should be equal to rho q w1 plus vw1 plus vw2 into u. And velocity flow at inlet and outlet are equal to vf1 should be equal to vf2. And discharge q equal to pi by 4 d naught square minus dp square into vf1. Flow ratio vf1 divided by root of 2gh. And performance turbine under unit quantities, the unit quantity give the speed, discharge and power for the particular turbine under a head of 1 meter, assuming the same efficiency. Unit quantities are used to predict the performance of the turbine. Let's see the unit speed nu, the speed of the turbine working under unit head should be equal to nu equal to n divided by root of h. And second one, unit power delivered by turbine working under unit head. That means in terms of head, it means Qn equal to Q divided by discharge, Q divided by root h. Then unit discharge, the discharge, so kindly change this formula. Here will be, this one is Q. Unit discharge of turbine working under unit head, Qu equal to Q divided by h power 3 by 2. And specific speed of turbine, the specific speed of turbine ns, the specific speed of turbine is the speed at which the turbine will run when developing the unit power under a unit head. This is type of characteristics of the turbine. For set a geometrically similar turbine, the specific speed will have the same value. Ns equal to n root of p divided by n power 5 by 4.